Progressive Media air filters are a breakthrough in filter technology for today's more demanding indoor air quality, or IAQ, needs. As construction technology and techniques have improved, air pollution now tends to accumulate in today's tighter homes and buildings, increasing the need for better filtration. So what makes Progressive Media a great whole house air filtration system? It all starts with specially layered filter fibers. The layers steadily increase in fiber density throughout the filter. This enables Progressive Media to collect particles through the entire thickness of the filter. It is this process that gives Progressive Media its impressive filtration performance and high capacity. Progressive Media filters are available in two industry standard ratings: professional grade MERV 11 and premium MERV 13 filtration for high performance in small particulate removal from the airstream. It's important to note that restricted airflow from a clogged air filter wastes energy and stresses HVAC equipment. And ordinary air filters clog quickly due to their uniform strand design, which makes them tend to accumulate debris at the leading edge of the filter. Progressive Media's layered fibers keep air restriction, or pressure drop, minimized, enabling better filtration without the trade-off of excessive airflow restriction. Indoor air with high concentrations of microscopic particulate matter, 3 microns or smaller, is especially unhealthful because particles of that size can pass right through our natural nose and throat defenses. Progressive Media filters are designed to have superior ability to capture microscopic particles. Here's how they work. First, they use Ultravation ultra-strand shaped fibers that, unlike ordinary filters, feature a rough finish with nooks and crannies that give each fiber far more surface area to hold particles. Second, ultra-strand fibers have a permanent electrostatic charge, so particles are drawn into the nooks and crannies and held there. No other filter design has as wide a size range or as much holding capacity, which is why they last from 6 months to a full year. And ultra-strand fibers are 100% synthetic, hypo-allergenic, and continuous, which means they are truly designed with the allergy sufferer in mind. Ultravation Progressive Media filters are designed from the ground up to optimize your investment in indoor air quality, yet they are simple to use, practical, and energy saving, and the rugged filter cabinets come with a 10-year warranty. Ultravation Progressive Media air cleaners, your best choice for effective, trouble-free, whole house air cleaning.